Post-construction termite treatment by injecting foam or liquid termiticide directly into hollow concrete masonry unit cores prevents subterranean and drywood termite access through those pathways. Hollow concrete masonry unit cores act as continuous voids from soil to structure and must be addressed by targeting the cores themselves. Start by mapping the foundation to find accessible core locations and determine whether cores are open at the top or blocked by mortar. Use a drill with a masonry bit matched to the core size and drill into the center of the block face at a slight downward angle to reach the core without damaging reinforcement. For foam applications, use a low-pressure foam system to push treated air out of the core and leave a residual foam matrix that adheres to the interior surfaces. For liquid applications, inject slowly to allow capillary absorption and avoid hydraulic fracturing of mortar joints. After treatment, seal drilled holes with a non-shrinking cementitious plug or compatible masonry patch, and consider installing removable core caps or stainless steel mesh screens at accessible tops to prevent reinfestation while allowing future inspection. Monitor treated cores on a seasonal schedule by removing a cap or inspecting accessible cores with a borescope, and retreat only where evidence of activity or breakthrough is detected. Common mistakes include drilling too close to vertical reinforcement and nicking rebar, which can compromise structural integrity and create expensive repairs. So, always locate reinforcement using a detector and adjust hole placement. Failing to use the correct formulation or dilution for foam versus liquid treatments, which reduces efficacy, so follow product label rates and training for preferred application method, and leaving holes unsealed or using incompatible patches that allow moisture ingress and termite re-entry. So finish with a compatible masonry plug and install caps or mesh where practical as a physical barrier and inspection point. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors experienced in foundation and termite work and helps contractors find projects that match their skills and service area. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals share techniques, ask questions, and post photos to get practical feedback.